Hi, how are you guys? Today I have brought for you another class for hyperrealistic. In today's class, I am going to tell you how to draw even the smallest things in hyperrealistic drawing as I have done in all the drawing classes. You must have learned drawing in third class without the work for hyperrealistic detail work. You will be easily learn the work for hyperrealistic. Drawing detail in a very good way, not using graph. To learn the trick for hyperrealistic drawing, the first things you need to do in have patience. With patience and your drawing we will improve automatically. You people work more, but there is no important in drawing. Keep sketching, improve your drawing, so less you more. Hence now hyperrealistic drawing is not the difficult the way I draw in hyperrealistic. You can also do that some, and I am going to tell you the hyperrealistic drawing. The first things you need to do in have patience. With patience and your drawing we will improve automatically. You people work more, but there is no important in drawing. Keep sketching, improve your drawing, so less you more. Hence now hyperrealistic drawing is not the difficult the way I draw in hyperrealistic. You can also do that some, and I am going to tell you the hyperrealistic repeats. First for all, you draw the sketch for the drawing on the sheet. Then after that, do normal realistic drawing as you do. After that, take the eraser, use the eraser. When there are the white area and pay attention to where that less light area using the eraser lights that hyperrealistic drawing we will the ready. I hope there you have understand the importance give to today class is very well. So let's me giving teaching about the smallest drawing work. So if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to Architect channel so that we will get drawing till. Take care. Thank you. Bye, friend.